learners, welcome to this course BLI 011. This course is the first course of our CLIS program, that is Certificate in Library and Information Science. This course, entitled Libraries and Introduction, is the basic course which deals about the basic concept of libraries, their types, their functions, and the role of libraries in the society. In this course, all type of roles of libraries are discussed, like cultural roles, recreational roles, and libraries as lifelong learning centers. In this course, you will be able to know about the different type of libraries like school libraries, college libraries, university libraries, national libraries, and the different library models. This course not only tells you about the different types of libraries, but their functions and services also. This course is the basic course in which you will also be dealing with the roles and responsibilities of the library staff, how the library staff is working in the different sections of the library. In this unit, you will be knowing about the roles and responsibilities of library staff as well as the different sections like circulation section, acquisition section, reference section, periodical section, etc. Each section with the activities done in those sections. This course also gives you brief information about the records kept in the libraries and how these records are useful for the library administration. And this course also gives a insight in the document selection and acquisition related things as well as physical processing done in the libraries, because this is the basic level course, and after completing this course the professionals will be able to work in the small libraries where they will be able to do shelving, arranging, etc. work. So this course is the introductory course which deals about these small things. Thank you.